Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play happy birthday songs with your Melodica. So you can practice your Melodica music instrument only from your browser by access chordify.net. So here in the Chordify, in this site, you can play happy birthday to you for Melodica chords, and this is the diagram. So there is a guitar, ukulele, piano, and mandolin. So you can try to use the piano here. Here you can use animated or just summary. Here this is the overview diagram, and you can edit, but you have to continue or log in with your Facebook. And this is the video tutorial also. So you can practice by watching this video or mini video here. So feel free to try to learn Melodica chords, happy birthday songs on chordify.net. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also press button below. See you in the next video.